In this video, we will learn how to pay invoices in Payoneer. To pay invoices in Payoneer, sign in to your account. If you do not have an account yet, register to send or receive payment. If it is your first time using the Request a Payment feature, you will need to verify your business details and your identity to request a payment. Select Request a Payment from the menu, then choose the client from your contacts or add a new payer. Then enter the payer's details, including whether they are an individual or a company. Then fill in the payment detail, amount, currency, services or product description, and due date. You can use Payoneer free invoice builder to create a professional PDF invoice or attach your invoice before sending the preview. The email and invoice, then click Request Payment. Your client will receive the invoice and the payment details instantly. After that, they send you the payment. You will receive a confirmation email that you can track in your email inbox. You can track the payment and invoice in your Payoneer account under the Management tab. If you're paying an invoice through Payoneer, click Pay Now on the Received Payment Request. Log in, select Payment Request Received under the Activities menu to find the relevant request and click Pay Now. Remember, choose a payment method such as credit card or bank transfer or bank debit card. Then enter the details and confirm the payment. For those without a Payoneer account, registering allows you to make a secure, low-cost international payments to over 200 countries and territories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.